Have you ever noticed the small lock icon in your browser, or the letters HTTPS at the beginning of websites? That small s is actually very important for internet security. Today, we'll understand how HTTPS works in the simplest way possible. What is HTTPS? HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It is the secure version of HTTP. HTTPS helps protect data transferred between your browser and a website server. Without HTTPS, data can be intercepted more easily. What is HTTP? Before understanding HTTPS, let's understand HTTP. HTTP is a communication protocol used by websites. It allows browsers and servers to exchange information, for example, loading web pages, sending forms, logging into accounts, but normal HTTP is not encrypted. That means attackers may read intercepted data. Why HTTPS is important? Imagine logging into a website using normal HTTP. Your passwords, messages, payment details could potentially be seen by attackers on the network. HTTPS helps prevent this by encrypting data. How HTTPS works? HTTPS works using encryption. When you open a secure website, 1. Your browser connects to the server. 2. The website sends a digital certificate. 3. The browser verifies the certificate. 4. Encryption keys are created. 5. Secure communication begins. Now the data becomes encrypted during transfer. What is SSL and TLS? HTTPS uses security protocols called SSL, TLS. TLS is the modern and more secure version. These protocols help encrypt data, verify websites, protect communication. What is a digital certificate? A digital certificate proves that a website is real and trusted. Certificates are issued by trusted organizations called certificate authorities. The certificate contains website identity, public key, security information. This helps browsers trust websites. Public and private keys. HTTPS uses asymmetric encryption. This means public key encrypts data, private key decrypts data. The website shares the public key openly, but the private key stays secret on the server. What happens during encryption? Suppose you enter a password on a secure website. Before sending, the browser encrypts the data. During transfer, attackers see unreadable encrypted data at the server. The private key decrypts the information. This helps keep your data secure. Browser lock icon. When you see a lock icon, it usually means HTTPS is active. Encryption is working. The website certificate is valid. But HTTPS does not automatically mean a website is completely safe. Scam websites can also use HTTPS. HTTPS versus HTTP. HTTP, no encryption, less secure, easier to intercept. HTTPS. Encrypted communication, better privacy, more secure. Modern websites mainly use HTTPS today. Why HTTPS matters for cybersecurity? HTTPS protects users from data theft, password interception, man-in-the-middle attacks, network spying. It is one of the most important technologies for internet security. HTTPS and online banking. Banking websites rely heavily on HTTPS. Without encryption, financial data, credit card information, login credentials would be extremely vulnerable. Can HTTPS be hacked? HTTPS is very secure, but no system is perfect. Problems may happen if certificates are stolen, weak encryption is used, users ignore security warnings. That is why cybersecurity constantly evolves. Real-world uses of HTTPS. HTTPS is used in banking websites, social media, online shopping, email services, cloud platforms. Most modern websites now use HTTPS by default. The future of HTTPS. Internet security continues improving. Future technologies may include stronger encryption, better certificate systems, quantum-resistant security. HTTPS will continue playing a major role in internet safety. Now you understand how HTTPS works and why the browser lock icon is important. If you want more simple tech videos like this, subscribe to Byte. And tell me in the comments, do you check for the lock icon before entering passwords online?